Welcome to Sunshine Art and Drawing. Today I'm going to be showing you a bit of an art hack fail. I had a bit of fun trying to follow this art hack or glue gun hack that I saw a couple of times. There's a few channels that I saw this on and I'll link those in the description just so you can see the original ones that I was trying to follow. But the art hack is supposed to be that you take a regular glue gun, and if you peel just regular everyday crayons, you can use them in the glue gun and make some sort of melted crayon type of art. Now, as you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing here. I've taken a large size glue gun because they don't fit in a mini glue gun, and then I've peeled just some regular Crayola crayons, just the ones that you get for a couple of dollars for a pack of 12, and peeled all the paper off, and then I've popped them into the unit itself after it's warmed up. There's no glue in it, I emptied out all the glue, so it's just literally straight crayon. Now, the problem with this is that, and you'll see this as I continue, is that although it looks really pretty and the colours kind of blend and mix together, there's no control. You can't control where any of the colour goes because it just kind of all comes out of the unit at once, and you can see me putting in more and more crayons and trying to sort of continue the colour on, and at one point it just completely blocked and I couldn't even get any out. As you can see here, I'm trying really hard and I'm pushing more out, but it's just completely blocked. So after a few goes of pushing into it, I finally got it to unblock, but all this like crayon stuff went everywhere. So there was like little spots of crayon all over my desk. This is not really a neat thing to do. I'd recommend maybe if you're gonna try it, do it outside. But to me, this is a total fail. You really can't control where the kind of color is going. And maybe if you're going to be doing something that's like some plain colors, you could. I tried to kind of make maybe flowers and things, but it just kind of all comes out in a big long lump. And I wanted to show that although it looks like it kind of destroys your glue gun, it doesn't really. The glue gun will continue to work. You just push glue through it and it'll keep going. And it's all sticky and everything like that. But it does make your glue gun really, really messy. Now the glue gun I'm using is an old glue gun that's broken. It doesn't, like, the clicky sort of button doesn't work anymore. So it doesn't really matter that I got crayon everywhere, but I'm a little disappointed that there's like crayon all over my desk now. So I totally don't recommend this art hack at all. I think it's like a huge fail. It didn't even really make kind of art. It's all like stuck to the paper, and I'll show you that in a minute. I'll do a bit of a sort of close up and let you see what it actually looks like, but I totally don't recommend this at all. I feel like it's kind of a fail. Like, if anyone else has any tips on how to make this work, let me know, but let's have a bit of a look at it. So you guys can hear exactly what it's done to the paper. I've brought my microphone down here, so that's what this is, but it's literally like a thick layer. And all the pieces just peel off. So like, I don't know how this is supposed to be art. I don't understand. That's kind of cool. I kind of picked up a little bit of the wax on the back and made a little thing. It's kind of cute. I don't know. This one? Is it dry? No, it's not dry yet. Okay, here. Kind of sounds like chocolate. Satisfying. It's very satisfying. Let's try and peel all this off and see what's underneath. take this out of the pad. Kind of cool because you can see like the light through it, and that's kind of pretty. But like, kind of like an abstract art piece. I don't know. Like, bits are still stuck to it. Anyway, to the side. Right, I think it's a glue. It's really the best thing I made. I don't even know what it is. This is quite cute. So this little thing and that thing are probably the only nice things I made. Everything else is like stuck. Ugh. Just sounds really cool. I like chocolate almost. It just reminds me of like chocolate. Really don't use crayons in your hot glue gun. It's not a good idea. And even with a busted, broken glue gun that I don't care about, I'm kind of disappointed that it's now covered in crayons. So I'm probably going to throw this away. It's already broken. I wasn't going to keep it anyway. It's like broken inside and the plastic is broken, so it's not something I can fix. And I do have another one, so it's not a really big deal to lose this one, but it is kind of gross to cover it in crayons. So don't do what I did. Don't try and make art with melted crayons that ends up looking like some sort of abstract atomic bomb blast or something, or maybe like a mushroom field. I don't know. It just turned out looking really strange, like I didn't know what I was doing, because I didn't, because the only instructions were put hot glue gun on the heat and then add crayons. The crayon liquid is so thin that it's really hard to control, so it's not going to be something that you can do. I would recommend, if you want to do kind of melted crayon art, To do that one where you place the crayons and then you use something like a heat gun or a hairdryer to melt them and then they kind of drip down, I think that looks a lot better, but you really can't control like dripping hot wax, and it's also really painful when it drips on your fingers. So give this one a miss. Definitely don't give it a try. I totally think that this kind of hot glue gun hack is a fail. It's a total fail. So definitely watch out for some more of my new videos that will be coming out soon. And I hope you guys have a sunshiny day. Maybe a bit better day than I did. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!